Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a triangle. The side length of this triangle is 13 unit, 14 unit and 15 unit. And this is the circumcircle of this triangle. We have to find the radius of this circle. If the radius of this circle is r, then the radius r, this will be a b c divided by 4 times delta. Here a b c, these are the three sides of this triangle, and 4 times delta, this is the area of this triangle. Consider this side as A, this side as B, and this side as C. Here the formula of finding the area of this triangle: delta is equal to S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C and square root of this whole term. Here S is equal to A plus B plus C over 2. So at first find the value of S for this triangle. S is equal to, as A is equal to 13 unit, so 13 plus B, this is 14 unit, so 14 plus C, this is 15 unit. So 15 divided by this 2 is equal to 13 plus 14 plus 15, this is 42 divided by this 2 is equal to 42 divided by 2, this is 21. Now this delta, this will be S, that means 21 times this S minus A, this is 21 minus A is equal to 13, so 21 minus 13, this is 8 times S minus B, so S is equal to 21 and B is equal to 14, so 21 minus 14, this will be 7 times this S minus C, so this is 21 and C is equal to 15, so 21 minus 15 is equal to 6 and this is square root is equal to 21 is 7 times 3, this is 21 times 8, this is 4 times 2 times this 7 times this 6, this is 2 times 3 and this square root is equal to this 7 and this 7, so this will be 7 square and this square root, this will make only 7. times this 3, and this 3 is 3 square, and this square root will make it 3, times this 2 times 2 is 4, and this is another 4, so this will be 4 square, and this square root will make it 4. So the area of this triangle is 7 times 3 times 4. So the radius of this triangle R is equal to ABC, that means 13 times 14 times 15. So you can write 13 times 14 times 15 divided by this 4 times the area of this triangle, which is 7 times 3 times 4. So 7 times 3 times 4. Now this 14 cancel by this 7, so this will remain 2, and this 3 divided this 15 and remain 5, and this 2 cancel this 4 and remain 2. So here it will be 13 times 5 is 65 divided by 2 times 4 is equal to 8, which is 65 divided by 8. This will be 8.125, and this is the radius of this circle. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.